I want to focus on working on my quadriceps strength. So I'm using a green band, it's quite strong, but you can use a purple or a black or red as you get better at it. This is really good to try and teach your body to engage the quad a bit more actively into your back bend. So I want to imagine we do in reverse Nordic curl. Once you arrive at the max, try and like push your pubic bone to the front and start lifting a bit more into your back bend. You got the option to push straight away with the arm as well, like kind of hold it here. And use your legs to come back up. Yeah, so we want to use the legs almost like I'm not using anything else but my quads. And once you get used to it, you can then go into full leaning back. So it's just a few fingers, lifting my hip up, reach. And you can keep going like that. Good. So this is your kneeling drop back work for your quads and for trying to teach your body to drop back safely. The second one is a standing one. Yeah, you got it? We literally hop into the band. You're going to place it in your sacrum. Option one, which you can do when you have no one. The first time you do this, you might feel the need to have someone holding you in place. Yeah, I make sure I take a nice sort of stretch first, so don't be too close, because you do want to feel that bounce of the band. Same way here, you can start holding onto one, push the hip forward, bend the knee, and reach into your drop back. And then come back up. Other hand, so this way I feel a bit more secure. Hips, chest and shoulder. And I push back up. You see how I power through my hips? Both, push. I'm going to take a bit more stretch here. Take the back bend and then we try and come back up. You can help through the hands like that, yeah? The same way, because I don't think, personally, I'm not even sure I can actually. Oh. Come back with both hands. Oh, yes! There we go. So, but you feel a bit more supported, you have something that supports your drop back here.